Whoa, would you look at that? It snowed. This RC car is not what you think it is. You probably think it's like a infraction on steroids or some crazy build I did. But no, it's actually an Arrma Mojave 4S. And I got the Mojave 6S tires on here and the Outcast 8S body on here as well. And I, of course, painted it up to my liking. And don't be bothered. The masking tape I used was absolute trash. Every time I went to paint a different spot, the tape would actually lift up and get some overspray in some areas. Like, it looks pretty ugly if you look at it up close in some areas, like right there. There's a lot of overspray, but we're not looking at this from up close, are we? We're looking at it from far away, so it doesn't matter. So we're just gonna give this thing a little bash in the snow. I don't know where my ESC is. Oh, fantastic, right off the bat. Oh, wow. Oh, this thing looks epic. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. Oh. So quiet in the snow. It's a little bit less quiet there. Look at that thing just throw the snow. So much power. We're not gonna have a lot of battery life. We're so full of snow in there already. I think there's a lot of... Yeah, there's still a lot of mud back here. But hey, we can still hit some jumps, eh? Oh yeah, very muddy back here. Wow. Oh yeah, it is a mud mess back here, y'all. I want this thing to go in looking clean. This is not the place to run. Nice. Body got caught up in that. Oh. Go nice and slow through that. It's only 29 degrees out here. Power. Oh, didn't see that there. Look at that thing just throw the snow. Oh yes. We gotta get slow-mos. Oh, what a beast. Yeah, that snow's really affecting our steering. Power, look at that thing go. You can definitely feel that battery getting weak. It is really trying to power through this. I think we already are LVC. No, not quite. It is in just a minute, I can tell. Is that motor staying cold? I can tell we are packed with snow in there. Oh, oh. Oh, there we go. There's LVC. Yeah, this thing's heavy. Wow, what a beast. It absolutely ripped up the yard, y'all. No, that was a pretty short video. I knew that battery wasn't gonna last long out here. Man, that was awesome. We have, oh my gosh, where did the Mojave go? Holy cow. It is literally all snow in there. Let's go check it. It's literally white. Let's go check it out. Oh, my hands are numb. Oh, this thing's heavy. I am surprised. That little motor in there has a lot of power. Oh my gosh. God. Guys, where'd it go? That is, well, I don't think I've ever seen an RC so packed with snow. That is crazy. Wow. All right. Oh, well, there it is. All right, well, I'm gonna go blow that off and we'll get you guys back on. Well, that's a little bit better. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.